April 1st is the day they told us we could have it back, but they've already gone.
April 1st, April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day, yeah.
So they told you April 1st and you believe that statement.
I believed them.
So you get it back, hopefully, April 1st, and then full speed ahead.
Full speed ahead. You know, and then, as I was just saying, we're a really busy shop here, and we just don't have time for this. So,
Yeah.
So this is the biggest problem. Is that, I mean, if we could just focus on this, and I would say, okay, April to August, fine, no problem, we can do it, but not when we have work coming in.
So have you finished the motor?
I haven't had the motor yet.
This is a tough competition to a very high standard, and the fact that Rusnick's doing it in this length of time, the team there, is really amazing. Really amazing. I mean, but I can tell you, these are people who know these cars. They've lived these cars their life. Bill, for an example, loves the vintage 911s. He loves them. I mean, he's worked on factory race cars at Riverside and other venues.
It's going to get hairy. It already has been. The time allotted for this is what the challenge is. We have to do this a 2-year project in 8 months, and it's going to be a little touch and go. The car right now is at our PACC partner, DC Autocraft.
The actual mechanics of taking this 68 911L and completely stripping it, priming it, doing the body work, painting it, setting the gaps, doing the undercoating, doing all the things that are required for our portion of this project, we can do. Yes, it's work, it's a lot of hand work. This was essentially a hand-built car originally, and it will be again. We do that. That is what we do. The issue, it's the timing. So in 3 months, this car has to go from being baby blue to Irish green, and it must be absolutely correct. That is the biggest challenge. Can you do that in 3 months?
Where is the car? The car right now is at our PACC partner, DC Autocraft. It's on the rotisserie now, being stripped all the way down.
We heard rumors today it's not there.
Oh.
It's in Upland.
Well, good.
My name is Albert Dialba. I'm the owner-operator of California Soda Blast here in Upland, California. And our specialty is to blast with sodium bicarbonate. And the reason for that is because it doesn't damage the vehicles. It'll rip through all the coatings.
Hey, Albert, I'm Ron.
Albert, nice to meet you, Ron.
Pleasure to meet you. Hey, so I see our car there. How's it coming along?
It's on ice right now. All right.
And you can show us what you're doing, what you plan to do.
Cool.
So, okay.
Very cool. How you doing? I'm Bill. Albert, Bill.
Albert.
Nice to meet you.
Another technician?
Yes.
This is Carlos.
Right. What's up, Carlos? Albert.
Engine compartment, the trunk, interior, and the underside.
Everything but the exterior.
Okay.
These Porsches are some of the absolute hardest cars for us to blast.
Oh, why is that?
Because of that undercoat.
Is it just, it's too thick?
Germans put some good stuff on these cars.
Ron.
Hey, I wanted to touch base with you. Just got us a little concerned here, Dave. So Yeah, I just got out of my GM's meeting with my, yes, and Greg was there, the service manager was there also. So they're really, there's a pressure on to get the car rolling because, and you are, yes, yes, I agree, you are the best approved collision center that's out there. So yes, we agree, we're on the same page.
Ron, you don't have to worry, Ron. The car is in Upland. It's back now, or was in Upland.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Coming soon, Episode 2 on why the 1968 Porsche 911L matters.
We thought, what could we try to get? And we discussed this, and I suggested we get, if it's possible, a 911L. Because they're very rare, as you said, they're 1 year only. They made fewer than 500 of these cars, and no one knows what they are. It's an oddball, and we love oddballs like that.
Follow us at the Porsche Pasadena YouTube channel for regular updates on our Porsche Restoration Challenge 23.